Ho ho ho, friends! Ooh, there is Hulk! Whoa, look at that! This is Hulk action figure. Whoa, nice! Hey, friends! Welcome back with Roy. Ooh, look at that! Whoa, look at that! Roy is so happy. The name who wear Spiderman mask is Roy. Look at that, Roy. Ooh, there is dinosaur. Friends, Roy show us dinosaur toys. Look at that. Ooh, good job, Roy. Ooh, Roy so happy there. Okay, Roy, what else? Okay, Roy. What else in the green basket? Oh, there is ping ball. Oh, this is so cute. The small ball and the color of ball is pink. Oh, Roy are so happy. Look at that. There is Hulk action figure. Oh, the strong body and the strong boy Hulk. Look at that. Amazing. Ooh, Hulk has the big power. Ooh, what is this? This animal. Squirrel. Ooh, this is so cute. Squirrel. Ooh, this is animal. Animal picture. Alright, Roy. Go ahead. Show us again. Whoa, Roy. Show us the red car. Look at that. There is a red car and a small car. Oh, Roy. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that. Roy show us the toys in the green basket.